Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to add fingerprint lock or fingerprint signing method in your laptop. Okay, I'm using Dell Precision's 7740 laptop with dedicated fingerprint in my laptop and using Windows 11 OS. So how to do that is very simple. Simply search about fingerprint. Then you can see here there is an option setup fingerprint signing. Click that. Then you will go to the account section. Then you can see here fingerprint recognition Windows Hello. Sign your fingerprint scanner recommended. So click that. Then you can see option of setups here. Click on that. After that you can get this page. Welcome Windows Hello. Your device. Just go to more personal. Say goodbye to entering complex passwords and start using your fingerprint to unlock your device. Verify with your identity and buy things in store. So get started. Okay, after that here is the message: touch the fingerprint sensor uh, repeatedly, then lift up and reset your finger on the sensor until setup is completed. So just I'm tapping my finger with that sensor. Okay, so you can see here it is start registering my finger. Okay, just tap like this every portions of your fingers. Lift up, then tap again, lift up, then tap again, lift up, then tap again. Okay, you can see it will start completing this one. Okay, so we can simply set a pin that you can hear. A couple more things: create a pin to use fingerprint recognition is not available. You may never need it, but it will be serve as a backup just in case. Once you set up your pin, you will be able to sign with your fingerprint. So we can set up the pin, otherwise you can add some another fingers. That is multiple options. Currently I'm not going with the setup pin because I'm not like to use this feature, but I'm showing that in this way you can easily use your laptop with your fingerprints. That means you can simply sign in and purchase anything from the Microsoft store, and you can use this fingerprint settings for multiple ways. Like in India we can use with Aadhaar. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.